Welcome back, guys. In this video, we are going to explain what actually happened to Bitcoin, detailed technical analysis of Bitcoin, and what is going to happen in the second half of October. Most of the people are worried about what actually happened in the last Friday and all the liquidations and everything. So in this video, we will cover every aspects of price action where you will get a better understanding of where the Bitcoin will go in next 2 or 3 months as well. So let's jump back in, and you need to take a note as well if you wanted to, because it has more detailed analysis of price action and everything. So let's jump back. Let's look into the price chart right now. If you can see that Bitcoin reached its all-time high in last week. It was trading around 126k and 125k. So it is really a good thing to consider. But in the same week as well, in the Friday, it went all down near the 50-week moving average to 100k and went back. Okay, in the positive sense, if you look into the further upside, the Bitcoin may reach around 150k or 140k in the near term for the next 1 or 2 months. So you need to also look into the resistance level that Bitcoin is currently trading. It's around 110k and 105k. This is a huge resistance. If Bitcoin broke this resistance, there is a huge downside potential. So you guys need to watch the level. Some of the reports are saying that Bitcoin may test 93k in the extreme condition. So you guys need to watch that as well. Even though there is one more interesting fact you guys need to aware is that if you're looking to 1 hour chart, you can see that Bitcoin just broke 50-week moving average. There is a huge downside potential here. And one more thing is that if you look into the 4 hour chart, if you are checking RSI, you can see that while every time Bitcoin making new all-time high, so the RSI is making lower highs. You can see that in this point Bitcoin made an all-time high, but the RSI is making a lower highs, and it is happening in every all-time high. The RSI is making a lower highs. RSI is making a lower highs. So that is the thing you need to consider. I guess the momentum strength is literally going down. So that means people are getting less interest on the Bitcoin right now, even though it is making all-time highs. So it is little worrying. And there is one more thing: golden cross and death cross. These are the two turning point in Bitcoin you should need to consider in your every trade. So let's dig into what is golden cross and death cross. So look into the chart. You can see the blue is the 50-day moving average and red is 200 moving average. If these two lines crosses on the top side, there is a huge chance of upward momentum. It may go to even 160k or 170k if the momentum still exists. On the further downside, that called golden cross. So if these two moving average, the 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average, cross on the top side, there is a upward momentum. That's called golden cross. Is on the other side, these two trend lines crosses below this line, below this area, there is a huge downside. So you should need to aware of that. Those cross is called death cross. So you need to watch that already. Currently it's already going into the death cross section. That is little worrying right now. The most of the report says that Bitcoin will consolidate around 110k to 105k. So that's the main assumptions that people are making. On the other hand, some people are suggesting it may go above 125k. So we need to watch what is going to happen. One of the main thing you guys need to consider is the ETF inflows. So ETF inflow is currently the main thing that make Bitcoin alive right now. So you guys need to look into the ETF's inflow data. That's the main part. And this halving cycle is generally considered as the bullish cycle. So there are quite that sentiment as well. So it's to be a neutral, to be honest. While wrapping things up, the things you need to consider is all the ETF inflows and the resistance level that Bitcoins are currently holding, and the momentum like RSI and the convergence, like RSI is going down. That are the main thing you guys need to consider for further move. The one more interesting fact is that liquidations. Now the liquidations are very common and it is very huge. You can see in the Friday, it's literally $19 billion are liquidated. So you should make a stop loss for reducing your losses if you are doing the leverage trading. Okay. On the summary, if Bitcoin breaks 125k, there is a huge upside potential. If it is consolidating near and you are looking in the long-term view, you can start buying Bitcoin partially. Don't buy for every money you have. Instead, buy a small portions here and wait for what actually happening. If it is above 125k, there may be a chance for further upside. We should need to watch that as well. In the worst case, if it is going to a 90k, it is a very huge bear potential. So that will be the end of the cycle. So you need to watch that as well. These all are my analysis. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. So I will come back with some more new videos. Thank you guys for that.